You're driving your Silverado and notice the oil level dropping fast, but there are no leaks on the ground. Your 5.3-liter V8 is likely burning oil right through the engine. The terrifying thought is a total rebuild, but you can likely fix this massive headache in your driveway with basic tools. The root of this problem sits right on top of your engine block. General Motors designed the valve cover with a built-in positive crankcase ventilation system. This system is supposed to relieve pressure by routing crankcase gases back into the intake manifold to be safely burned off. The issue lies within the baffles inside that factory valve cover. These baffles are meant to separate the heavy liquid oil from the crankcase gases. Over time, the poor factory design allows liquid oil to bypass those baffles and get sucked directly into the intake manifold. Once that oil enters the intake, it travels straight down into the combustion chamber. Your engine simply burns the oil along with the gasoline, leaving your dipstick dangerously dry and your exhaust valves coated in thick carbon. This creates an alarming drop in oil levels between regular changes. The permanent solution is completely removing that flawed valve cover. General Motors released an updated valve cover design specifically to address this heavy oil consumption flaw. The new part features an improved baffle system that properly traps the liquid oil where it belongs. To tackle this job, you need to disconnect the coil packs and pull the ignition wires out of the way. Unbolt the old valve cover, being careful not to drop any dirt down into the exposed cylinder head. Make sure the aluminum mating surface is perfectly clean before proceeding. Place the new updated valve cover onto the engine block with a fresh rubber gasket. Torque the bolts down to the correct factory specifications by working from the center outwards. Reconnect your coil packs and vacuum hoses to finish up the installation process. Doing this quick swap prevents oil from entering the intake and saves your engine from serious long-term damage. Your 5.3-liter V8 will stop burning oil and return to running perfectly strong.